World champion boxer Amir Khan has said that he is ready to take part in Pakistani politics, as the country has been abused by the other politicians and they took advantage of their personal gains. He has a clean heart and wishes to help Pakistan in politics. He will start his training soon for the last few fights before his retirement.
The one and only, the King Khan, Amir Iqbal Khan. Welcome to the show, Amir. Assalamu alaikum.
In conversation with the renowned human rights activist Raja Zishan in the social media program Free Speech with Raja Zishan, the boxing legend has said that he is ready to participate in Pakistani politics and would definitely give it a go. He said that Pakistan needs honest, clean and real people, and that's why he wishes to help Pakistan in politics. Pakistan needs a sincere leadership to give comfort to the people of Pakistan.
Going into politics, definitely, I would give it a go, definitely. Why not? Because look, my heart is clean. And you know, when you have a clean heart, to help a country like Pakistan needs clean people, honest people, real people. And that's why I want to help the politician and the political side of Pakistan. I want to help the country. And they need honest people like myself to get involved in that, because at this moment in time, we've seen the country be abused, really, in a way, by other politicians, or people taking advantage of the country. So this is where they need good people around them to make it a better place, inshallah.
He said that his main objective to establish Amir Khan Foundation is to serve humanity. His charity has been growing and has facilitated thousands of people in Pakistan and UK in these critical times.
The passion behind Amir Khan Foundation was that I wanted to help people around the world, and I thought instead of me giving money to organizations, not knowing where that money is going to be spent, I want to do it myself, so I see every penny where it gets spent. And that's the reason I did it, because a lot of times I used to give money to different organizations and I don't know if my money did get spent there or not, you know. And I'm sure that so many people are going to be in the same position as me, who are going to think that they've sent £100 or £200 somewhere and God forbid it's not got there. Where's that money gone? I know people say leave it to Allah, God will, make sure, our niyat was the main thing. But no, it's about when you give money to charity, you have to make sure you know where it ends. I pay my own way when I fly there, I pay for my own hotel, I pay for everything myself, because I feel that, people have given their hard work, earnings to us to help the poor people. That has to go to poor people.
He said that Amir Khan Promotions are hosting a big boxing event in Lahore this month, where Pakistani boxing champion Muhammad Waseem will also fight. We have got 6 international boxing events in Pakistan where professionals from different parts of the world would participate, in which would also be helpful to boost the tourism in Pakistan.
And that's going to be the second professional boxing event there. We've got Muhammad Waseem, who's going to be debuting in Pakistan. He's already been world champion. He's already one of the best fighters of Pakistan, and I think to have him fighting in Pakistan for the first time as a professional, look, he's the #1 guy when it comes to professional boxing in Pakistan.
He further said that he will start his training early next year, and most expectedly he will finish it with another couple of fights before his retirement. The King Khan also said that he wants to be people's champion by performing in front of the audience, and he would like them to enjoy it.
You see, with audiences, I've never fought on a professional show or any boxing show without any audience. And I want to be a people's champion. I want to fight in front of fans. I want to give them a chance to see me fight live and experience that with me. But let's see how it all plays out. Look, if come next year and the fight comes and there's no audience allowed, then we can't do it.
Absolutely, and we all want to see your golden punch as well, Amir. So come on, we would like to actually see you back in the ring very soon.
That's it,
we're
gonna come in the ring.
This is what the ritual is all about now. Absolutely.
Now let's see how Pakistani politicians and Pakistani people react after this announcement of boxing legend Amir Khan to take part in Pakistani politics. There is an example of Filipino professional boxer Manny Pacquiao, who joined politics and became the Senator of Philippines. So it's all the matter of wait and watch. Jarrar Sayyed, A1 TV, Aaj News, London.